In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect steering wheel to NASCAR Heat 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up a steering wheel to NASCAR Heat 5 is extremely simple. This is because the game generally supports steering wheel input. It has specific steps that might vary depending on your platform, but for the most part, as long as you connect one compatible steering wheel, it is going to get detected automatically. So first, connect it. Ensure that your steering wheel is properly connected to your console or PC according to the manufacturer's instruction. So use a USB cable, an alternative cable, whatever you need to do to ensure that the connection is established. And now launch the game. Immediately upon launching the game, you can try jumping into a race to see if it works, and generally, it should get detected automatically, but you can also stop by the controller settings. So if you go over to the options menu within the game and you switch over to the controller category, you will be able to choose steering wheel as your input device, and if necessary, calibrate. So you will be able to change every single keybind, you can see what each button does on your steering wheel, and it should be detected. If you notice that you don't get the option to choose steering wheel as the input device, or you cannot change these keybinds, it could indicate that the steering wheel is not compatible or it was not detected. So you have to use a compatible steering wheel to ensure that this works natively. But once this is done, you will be good to go. For PC, remember that you might need to install specific drivers for your steering wheel, and for consoles like Xbox and PlayStation, it is usually going to be straightforward, so you don't have to download any additional tools. And as long as you join a race with the steering wheel connected, you will be able to use it as the input device on NASCAR Heat 5. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect steering wheel to NASCAR Heat 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.